Hey friends, for today's video, we will be making chocolate chip cookies. These are the ingredients: butter, brown sugar, 2 large eggs, vanilla, flour, baking powder if there's no baking soda, chocolate chips, salt. For the first ingredient that I'll be using, it is the all-purpose flour. I will be measuring 1 3/4 cup of this. I will be putting the flour in the sifter so that it will be sifted. This is a bit cringy because I am not a professional baker, so I'll just say wrong things. So this is the 1 cup of flour, and then we need 3/4 cup more, so I'm using the 1/4 measuring cup. As you can see, I'm fast forwarding the video, and no, I am not this fast in real life. I am like a turtle. So now I am sifting. Okay, I am done. The next ingredient that I'm using, as you can see, is baking powder. I usually use baking soda, but since I don't have baking soda here with me, I am just gonna use baking powder. I did some research and Google said that 1 teaspoon of baking soda is equal to 2 to 3 teaspoons of baking powder. So if this is wrong, then you Google, you. Kidding. But I do hope this is correct because I want good cookies. Who doesn't like good cookies, right? Okay, I think I'm gonna fast forward now because I'm talking too much. The next ingredient that we will be using is salt. No, do not do that. We just need 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Huwag tayong maalat dahil ayaw natin ng sakit sa bato. Now that everything is in a large bowl, mix them all together. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Now that the flour, the salt, and the baking powder are all mixed, set the large bowl aside and then get another bowl. Then let us prepare the liquid ingredients. So we would need 2 large eggs. This is the first egg. Crack him like Bimbi did. Then this is the second large egg. Crack it like Bimbi did. Okay, and then after that, I am showing you guys the 2 large eggs inside the bowl, and then I am now beating it. Just beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Just beat it. Okay, stop. Do not overbeat. Next is we add in the vanilla into our beaten eggs. We need 2 teaspoons of this. Okay, so I grabbed another bowl, and as you can see, I am putting the 1 cup softened butter inside my third bowl, which is ang daming hugasin na naman. I am sorry. And finally, the last ingredient, the brown sugar. We will need 2 cups of brown sugar for this cookie batter. Okay, so I am measuring the brown sugar again with my 1 cup measuring cup. So as I said, we need 2 cups of these. Okay, I'll stop talking and fast forward this video. Let us now start mixing the brown sugar and the butter. We will mix it until it is light brown and fluffy. Mixing, mixing, mixing. Mix, 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 mix. Fast forwarding now because it's awkward. Okay, now that we are done, we can now mix the egg mixture with the butter mixture. Okay, so now let's mix the liquid ingredients and the solid ingredients. So as you can see, I am pouring the egg mixture inside the flour mixture. I don't know if it's correct, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. Time for my favorite part of the cookie, which is the chocolate chips. So I just usually put the whole bag. Yes, more chocolate chips, the better. I think the secret in baking good chocolate chip cookies is to chill the cookie dough first before baking it. So yeah, I'm currently wrapping my bowl with cling wrap so I can put it inside the refrigerator for like about 2 hours or more than 2 hours. I don't know. Basta, I'll chill it first and then we will bake some good chocolate chip cookies. Okay, 3 hours has passed. We are now ready to bake. Make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Let's now get our cookie dough bowl inside the refrigerator and let us start rolling. Rolling those cookie dough balls. As you can see, I'm using an ice cream scooper to scoop the cookie doughs and then turn it into balls on my baking tray. Also, please remember to put parchment paper or butter so that the cookies won't stick when you bake it na. Bake it for about 10 minutes or until you see that the cookie has turned into a golden brown color. Our 10 minutes is up and yes, the cookies are baked. Transfer the cookies into a rack so it will cool. Now that it's transferred into a cooling rack, do not eat it first because mainit, ayaw nating mapasok. After waiting for a minute or two, let us now plate the cookies. But I don't know how to do that, so I'll just show it to you guys. Here are my freshly baked chocolate chip cookies. Yes, look at it. Oh my gosh, yum! Yum! Yup, I love it. Not because I baked it, but I love it. You can also try eating the cookie with milk by dipping it in a bowl of milk. I don't wanna like use a cup kasi if I use a glass pala, malalim siya. So hindi ko madidip yung cookie the way I dip it now. And then after this, I can drink from the bowl naman. It's so barbaric, but who cares? It's my bowl and I'm inside my house. So, yun. As long as it's good, then I'm fine. Yum! Okay, so kakain na ako. Huwag kayong magulo. Again, I am not a pro, but I do hope you try this recipe out. As usual, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post something. Thanks guys, bye!